Hello, I'm wondering if you do any poetry books by Charles Simic?
Any poetry books?
Yes, do you do poetry books?
We do one or two Christian poetry books. Is that what you're after?
To be honest, I'm open to any poetry. I'm just looking in general. Could you tell me which books you do?
Right, the ones I've got at the moment are there's one by Stuart Henderson called Limited Edition.
I've heard good things about this book. Do you have this in stock right now?
I have got it in front of me right now, yes.
Would it be too much of a problem if I don't know if you used to read the first stanza of this poem?
Okay, hold on a moment.
Oh, thank you so much.
I want to be an elephant with satellite dish ears. I want to be a crocodile and learn to cry real tears. I want to be a silkworm and learn the art of sewing. I want to weave beyond the stars to glimpse where I'll be going. I want to be a blob with horns that somehow learn to float. I want to be a tadpole that turns into a goat. I want to be a yellow song that snorts across the prairie. I want to be a bison crossed with a canary. I want to be a soldier ant in the undergrowth. And if life got too exhausting, I'd desert and be a sloth. And it goes on, there's about another 9 verses actually.
Okay, it's a nice poem. Okay, I will be in store before the close of day. This is perfect. Thank you so much for your help. I am grateful beyond the belief.
Okay. I look forward to seeing you later.
And you. Thank you so much.
Alright.
See you later. Bye. The first poem was quality though, wasn't it?
I want to be an elephant.
Here's the first line. I want to be an elephant.